Go.
All right, so this is Dr. Strombeck at Granite Regenerative Medicine. I'm sitting here with a patient of mine. Now, back in January of this year, you had some hip issues. Mm-hmm. Now, in January, we actually did some regenerative medicine or stem cell therapy to that hip. Tell me a little bit about how you felt before, the procedure and how you're feeling now.
Okay. Before, I was literally dragging my leg around. I was in pain constantly. I couldn't walk the dogs. It just got worse and worse and worse. And I called Regenerative Medicine here in Granite Bay to have a consultation. And I literally, when I was on the phone making the appointment, I was out walking and I was dragging my leg around in pain. And I said, get me in there as soon as you can. Came in January 11th, had the procedure. And Dr. Strombeck and everyone here has been fabulous. And we've been having follow-up appointments. And I was able to start doing a cycle by the end of February. And that worked out pretty well. And I kind of, cut back my exercise because I do exercise a lot, and slowly but surely it's gotten better. About a month ago, so we are at September 16th today, about a month ago I was able to go up a flight of stairs no problem, just lickety-split. And prior to that I was real careful, but I decided just to give it a shot, and it worked. And now I can climb stairs, I can lead off with my right leg, and I'm gonna say, minus a few little pops here and there, it's pretty good. I'm probably at least 80% at least better.
So it's something that if somebody had an issue like this and maybe their doctor said, hey, it's hip replacement or whatever, you would at least maybe encourage them to have a consultation and somewhere as far as stem cell therapy, regenerative medicine, saying, hey, look, a lot less invasive.
Without a doubt.
Okay, so it's something you would, like a friend or something, you'd say, hey, you should go check this out.
Yeah, and I've told two or three people probably, and absolutely, you don't want to have surgery if you don't have to. That's the last thing anyone wants to do. This is incredible, and it's just amazing the world we live in, that we even get this opportunity because our parents didn't get this.
Well, great. Thank you so much for sharing. This could help other people. Thank you.
Absolutely.